Okay? All right, I got it. Go ahead and get a stick nailed. Up on top. Okay. Up on top. That's not going to do us any good down there. Get up and reach up as high as you can on it. Reach up as far as you can.
Okay. Just tack it.
I guess.
Okay.
Now get over it down and hand one up for Zach to do. It's bad when you're the only one that can do anything. You'll never believe the amount of work that this kid's done
Got it.
before.
All right. Let
This
go.
is
See what
not-
it does, Dad.
Not
Hey,
at 70 if one of these is done.
let go.
Look. He needs a stick. He can't.
Here, one more time, right here.
Reach up as far up on the top quarter as you can.
Yep, I will.
Harry, bring me that step ladder.
Like this or how?
Yep, that one right there. Got a hold on that, Josh, all right? I'm taking this down.